Hi, welcome to Paradise Motorhomes. I'm Ben McLean and this is our flagship model, the Independence Deluxe. This is the most amazing motorhome that you can own. It's a 28-foot motorhome with two massive slide outs, one either side. This one on this side, a full 6.5 metres long. What sets the Independence Deluxe apart from every other motorhome on the market is the interior living area. So I want to show you that first. Let's go inside and have a look. Once inside the Independence Deluxe, the first thing that becomes apparent is the immense amount of space, and that's given to you by the two massive opposing slide outs on this 28-foot motorhome. Even in this smaller section here, me at 6'3" can easily stretch out in all directions and have plenty of room around me. So that's the first thing. The other thing which you really need to touch and feel to appreciate, but I'm going to explain it to you, is the other items that put our level of quality and finish above that of our competitors. The first thing is the genuine leather seats. Now this is a real high quality leather versus the faux leather that our competitors use. Other features such as the piano hinge on all of our cupboard doors and overheads means that we've got dozens of screws holding each door on versus maybe half a dozen. With the materials for the cabinets, the scratch resistant surfaces, the waterproof materials, stronger, lighter, better. All the drawers, when you start the ignition, automatically lock on a series of electromagnets. This system has been tested to a much higher safety standard than what is required for motorhomes. It is these and many other features that really set Paradise Motorhomes and the Independence Deluxe apart from its competitors. Because the driver side slide out extends all the way through into the bathroom, we end up with an incredible amount of space in here. We're a full 3 metres across by 1 metre wide. This would have to be the biggest bathroom you can buy in any motorhome right now. Back here, we've got the full-size shower, separate toilet. We have a full household size washer dryer combo unit, separate sink, vanity cupboards, extra LED lighting, a Bosch hot water service that can supply continuous hot water for whatever length of shower you want to have. It's a normal style cassette toilet, which is best suited for Australian conditions. We add an external ventilation system to this that operates through a carbon filter and takes any smells outside with it. These features combined with the size and our Paradise standard of quality and finish makes this the best bathroom you can have in a motorhome. The bed is a full queen size bed, so queen width, queen length. It's a memory foam mattress, so super duper comfortable. You've got a whole bunch more storage above and around the bed, as well as bedside tables. On either side you've got power points, which is really important, as well as USB outlets and 12-volt cigarette lighter style sockets. Now this looks fantastic. Something that you don't see immediately is the lift up feature. It's actually very easy to lift. It only takes one finger to lift this bed. It comes all the way up and gives you access to the immense storage that we have underneath. Now once you're under here, you'll also see that we've got the additional table, and there's a tripod leg system that stores weight under here as well, and that gives you more dining space inside the motorhome. So if you've got 5 or 6 people inside, you can actually all sit down and have a meal. Behind here is what every good motorhome should have. You've got your very own built-in espresso machine, and that just tucks away out of sight when you're not using it. Moving along, his and her wardrobes, plenty of shelving space. This gives you enough room for 4 seasons worth of travelling, something that is really lacking in most motorhomes. The entertainment system in the Independence Deluxe consists of a 50-inch full high definition smart TV. Outside we have a 24-inch high definition TV with built-in DVD player. Both of these televisions are linked to the automatic satellite dish that just with one press of a button it goes up and automatically locks onto the satellite. This couples with the vast TV box and potentially your own Foxtel box to deliver satellite television and free-to-air to both TVs anywhere around Australia. The big internal TV here actually has a swivel mechanism to allow you easy viewing in bed, and this packs away safely with our automatic locking feature for when you're driving, so you know that the TV is safely secured no matter what roads you encounter. The kitchen in the Independence Deluxe is accentuated by the additional bench space, which comes out very easily. So we now have over 3 meters of actual kitchen preparation area. We've got a full drain board, nice deep domestic sink, hot and cold flick mixer, and we actually have a filtered outlet on this as well for your drinking water. Automatic soft close drawers. Moving up to the cooking, we've got a 4 burner, 1 electric, 3 gas, a gas griller, and a convection microwave oven. And the convection microwave oven works as an oven and as a microwave. You've got a range hood that takes the cooking gases directly outside, and plenty of overhead cupboard storage. The pantry next to the fridge has adjustable shelving that gives you the flexibility to move them where you need to for what you're going to take with you, and still gives you the strength and security that you expect from Paradise. You have a choice of 2 different fridge models in the Independence Deluxe. The one that we've got here is the 2-way fridge. It runs on 12 volt or 240 volt. It's 215 litres and has a separate fridge and freezer section. That complements the power system and the solar system very nicely. Your other choice is a more traditional 3-way fridge, but with full automatic energy selection. So that model fridge will run on gas as well as 12 volt and 240 volt. We can advise you on the best options to go there, but generally we'll find the 2-way fridge is the way people go. Plenty of storage space, lots of room, and combine that with the outside fridge that you've got as well, you've got more fridge space than basically any other motorhome. Extra sleeping arrangements are easy in the Independence Deluxe with the pull-out futon bed. A subtle but very important feature in the front of the Independence Deluxe is our widened cab. Externally, it gives a very aesthetically pleasing and aerodynamic appearance. Internally, it gives us more space, and importantly, it gives us the ability to fit these beautiful captain's lounges. They're big, they're comfortable, and they are fitting a motorhome of this level. While sitting in the lovely captain's recliner here with full massaging features, everything electric and heated, I'll explain to you a bit about the foundation that we have of the motorhome. The Iveco 70C210 is what we've chosen to build the Independence Deluxe on. It's a 205 horsepower, 470 newton meter engine. That's a 3 litre twin compound turbocharged diesel engine. That's coupled to an 8-speed torque converter style automatic transmission for smooth shifting and great fuel economy. We also include GPS, and under the rear, which is something that really sets Paradise Motorhomes apart, is the automatic airbag system. So that automatically adjusts to whatever load you have in the vehicle and the driving conditions that you're experiencing. All of these couple together for a great ride, and one that'll last for years. Now that we've come outside, I want to talk about the storage lockers. Now there's 7 in total. All the lower lockers are a 1-piece fiberglass construction. So this gives you very strong bins, fully waterproof because they're completely sealed. And also in the case that you actually damage something, it's very easy for us to repair. So I want to start going through these in detail now, and we'll start at the generator bin. In the forward bin on the driver's side, we have the new model Tech 29 Dometic generator. It's a petrol generator, 2.9 kilowatts. This is designed to run your air conditioners, anything you want to plug in 240 volt wires. It can charge up your lithium batteries. It's basically like plugging in the mains power, but you just push a button from inside. Fully automatic start as well, which is fantastic. The other thing you can see in here is the rainwater collection system for the roof. So it actually collects rainwater off the roof, pumps it through a filter, and tops up your water tanks. So all this is here. The great thing about this type of unit is, apart from its annual servicing, you leave this closed, and you leave it alone. In this locker, we have more features that are standard in the Independence. The first thing you see here is the hydraulic pump. Now this drives the automatic levelling system that's on the vehicle. The great thing about that, when you pull up to your campsite, you've got a remote control, just turn the system on, hit automatic level, it makes the vehicle level and rock solid stable. That is an amazing feature that you'll absolutely love. Forward in the bin here, you see the pressurisation fan. Now on the Independence, we actually have a filtered pressurisation system that blows clean air into your storage bins when you're driving on dusty roads. The benefits of this is it keeps all of the dust out of your bins no matter what conditions the roads are. When you get to where you're going, you open the bin, everything's still nice and clean, you haven't got dust through everything. It's a fantastic feature and another thing that's standard on the Independence Deluxe. Now I want to talk to you about power supply. The Independence Deluxe has always been at the forefront of technology. What that means for us now is full lithium battery power supply. You've got a 3000 watt inverter, charger combo unit that comes with it. The battery pack itself is 300 amp hours, which is the equivalent of the old technology batteries of around 500 amp hours. You've got automatic DC to DC charging, so your vehicle, when you're driving, will charge your lithium batteries, and that automatically selects between the solar and the vehicle. All of this great stuff is absolutely amazing and it puts you at the forefront of what you can possibly have in a motorhome. But really the main benefit for you as a customer is that you don't have to worry about it. You've got a battery monitor inside that tells you everything that's going on, and from out here, you basically close the door and forget about it. The Independence Deluxe comes standard with four 4-kilo gas bottles. This lower profile designer bottle is easy for you to handle and also fits nicely in the lower storage bins here. Now with that amount of gas, you've got enough capacity there to supply you for months and months of camping. The entry door to your motorhome is a 2-piece design with an external weather shield and a high-strength security screen. As you enter, the electric step comes out, and if you forget to put this away when you drive off, it'll automatically retract. Now coming inside here, another feature that really sets us apart is the gas ventilation system that we have in the step. Now by regulation, any motorhome or caravan with a gas appliances inside needs to ventilate the lower area of the motorhome. Now this is generally associated with dust ingress and noise. We have a specially designed baffle gas vent that meets all gas regulations and cuts down dramatically on noise and dust. This whole area, well sorted, well thought out, and a beautiful entrance into your amazing motorhome. The outside entertaining area is just as impressive on the Independence Deluxe as the inside. Coming along here, we've got the outside fridge and freezer unit. Pop a couple of cold ones in there. Your outside TV, that's linked up to the outside speakers as well. You've also got the benefits of having your satellite system hooked into this television as well as local digital, so you can watch your Foxtel and your Vast all through here. It's really easy to pack away this too. One hand, that's all you need to do before you travel. And again, when you've set up, just like that. Now we've got this fantastic spot here. Good fishing, nice fresh air, birds in the background. Set yourself up on a barbie, sit back in the lounge chair, footy on the TV. What a way to spend the afternoon. Paradise Motorhomes is a family-owned Australian business. We've been building motorhomes for over 15 years with the goal of being the #1 manufacturer of motorhomes in Australia. Not in quantity though, in quality. That ethos means that every motorhome delivered has a level of quality, finish and engineering unseen in any of our competitors. Now when we build a flagship model like this Independence Deluxe, you can imagine what that results in. We invite you to come in, touch, feel and experience the impressive amount of space we have here. We want you to come and own Australia's #1 motorhome, and we want you to take luxury with you. Thank you very much. Paradise Motorhomes is a family-owned Australian business. We've been building motorhomes for over 15 years with the goal of being the #1 motorhome manufacturer in Australia. Not in quantity, but in quality. That's evident in all our models, in the quality finish, in the engineering, and the ethos behind what we do with every single model that we develop and deliver to our customers. Our engineers use only the latest 3D modelling software for motorhome research and development. Our advanced design techniques allow us to accurately fabricate components using our CNC equipment. Our cabinetry doors are all held solidly in place with piano hinges. This gives each door dozens of screws that are holding it in place for no matter what conditions of road that you encounter. Cabinetry is assembled using screws, aluminium brackets, cam locks and the latest high-strength adhesives. To ensure the highest level of quality, many components such as TV brackets, seat swivels and entire handbrake mechanisms are produced in our sub-assembly division. All electrical work is carried out by fully qualified tradesmen to the highest standards, using bootlace crimps at every point. Paradise Motorhomes' investment into the finish of your motorhome goes as far as being one of the only manufacturers with a full-size spray booth that is pressurised, downdraft and heated. Our after-sales service department can take care of all your needs from vehicle servicing, upgrades, as well as any insurance work, all using factory-trained technicians on site. From the team at Paradise Motorhomes, we'd like to thank you for watching this video. We look forward to speaking with you soon.